everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to go ahead and copy our Twitter profile link. So if you're also looking out how to do so in this video, we are going to instruct you. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the X application on your mobile device and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can look out for your profile picture icon in the top left corner of your screen. So go ahead and tap on it. After that, a sidebar appears on your screen. You can basically look out for the profile option from the menu and go ahead and tap on it. There we go. Now, once you go ahead and tap on it here, what you need to do is basically look out for the share option if you want to go ahead and copy your profile link. Look out for the three dot in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be finding a menu appearing. You can select the option of share and tap on it. And then once you tap on share, it will give you the link that you're looking for. You can tap on this option called copy URL, or you can use itself by going ahead and sharing with the application that appears on your screen when you tap on share. And that is how you copy your link. You can just go over and send it to any of the messaging application available, for example, from Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. And go ahead and send it to one of the chats. So I'm just going to send it right here, so you can tap on send, and when the other person taps on the link, it should redirect them to your Twitter profile, which is X. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process if you want to copy your X profile link as well. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.